Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss different discrete probability distribution. Myself Professor S.S. Nikam from K.K. Wagh College of Agriculture. These are the content of this video. First one, Bernoulli trials. Second, introduction of binomial distribution. Then third, introduction of Poisson distribution. Bernoulli trials. So this is a limited form of binomial distribution. So it has only one trial or experiment. So experiment which has two possible outcome is called Bernoulli trial or experiment. So mathematically Bernoulli trial can be represented as x follows Bernoulli. So here Bernoulli is a name of function into bracket p. P is a parameter for this function where capital X, that is random number, is equals to number of successes. So here value of x can be 0 or 1. So if value of x is equals to 1, so that is denoted by p, that is probability of success. If value of x is equals to 0, so it is denoted by q, that is probability of failure, which is calculated as 1 minus p. So if you consider all above properties, we can denote these properties with the help of example. So consider example flipping a coin. Here h is represented as a success and t is represented as a failure. So probability of x is equals to 1 is 1/2 and probability of x is equals to 0 is also 1/2. So from above, what is average, value and variance? So average is represented as a mu, which is also called as the expected value of x. So that is equals to 0 into q plus 1 into p. Here q means probability of failure and p means probability of success. So 0 into q 0 and 1 into p p. So you get p as answer. So for mean of Bernoulli trials, its value is p, or mean of Bernoulli trial is p. Then variance, which is represented as sigma square, is pq for Bernoulli trials. Discrete and continuous probability distributions. So probability distributions can be of two types: discrete probability distribution and continuous probability distribution. So discrete probability distribution is based on discrete random variable which considers countable number of outcomes. So discrete probability distribution can be of two types. First one, binomial distribution. Second, Poisson distribution. In case of continuous probability distribution is based on continuous random number which considers uncountable number of values. So example of this continuous probability distribution is normal distribution. So in this video our focus is on discrete probability distribution. So in that discrete probability distribution, first we will see binomial distribution. Binomial distribution. So following are the some key points for binomial distribution. A trial has only two possible outcomes, success or failure. Then there is a fixed number of n identical trials. So in case of Bernoulli trials, we consider only a single trial. So in binomial distribution, we consider n number of identical trials. The trials of the experiment are independent of each other. Then the probability of success p remains constant from trial to trial. If p represents the probability of success, then 1 minus p, that is equals to q, is the probability of failure. Definition: a random variable x is said to follow binomial distribution if it assumes non-negative values and its probability mass function is given by equation ncx, that is choosing x values out of n values, into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x for values of x from 0 up to n and 0 otherwise. The two independent constant n and p in the distribution are known as a parameter of the distribution. Conditions of binomial distributions. So we get the binomial distribution under the following experimentation condition. So if most of this condition is met, then we can get more accurate answer for binomial distribution. So first condition is the number of trial n is finite. Second, the trials are independent of each other. Third, the probability of success P is constant for each trial. 4. Each trial must result in success or failure. Fifth, the events are discrete events. Properties of binomial distribution. If P and Q are equal, the given binomial distribution will be symmetrical. And if P and Q are not equal, the distribution will be skew distribution. So mean, that is expected value of X, is equals to NP. So in case of Bernoulli trial, experiment conducted single time, so its mean is P, and here in case of binomial distribution, experiment is conducted n number of times, so mean is NP. Variance for binomial distribution is NPQ. So these are the some settings where binomial distribution can be applied. A manufacturing plant labels items as either defective or acceptable. A firm bidding for a contract will either get the contract or not. A marketing research firm receives survey responses of yes I will buy or no I will not. A new job applicant either accept the offer or reject it. Formula for binomial distribution. P of x is equals to n factorial upon x factorial into n minus x factorial into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. So here probability of x, which is denoted as P of x, is equals to probability of x successes in n trials with probability of success P on each trial. Small x is equals to number of successes in sample where value of x can be from 0 up to n. P is equals to probability of success per trial. Q is equals to probability of failure, so which can be represented as 1 minus P. N is equals to number of trials. For example, consider an example of a flipping of a coin. So if you flip a coin 4 times, what is number of heads? So here we take x as a number of heads. So if you apply this formula, n will be equals to 4, p is equals to 0.5 and q is equals to 1 minus 0.5, so that is equals to 0.5, and values of x can be from 0 up to 4. Mean and variance of binomial distribution. So mean is NP for binomial distribution and variance is NPQ for binomial distribution, and standard deviation is under root of NPQ, where n is equals to sample size, p is equals to probability of success, and q, that is 1 minus p, is equals to probability of failure. Some applications of binomial distribution. First one, quality control measures and sampling process in industries to classify item as a defective or non-defective. So binomial distribution can be used in industries for quality control purpose. Second, medical applications such as success or failure, cure or non-cure. Third, when a laboratory analyzes many reference samples, binomial distributions can be used in evaluating laboratory performance. 4. To know the proportion of individuals in a population having a particular character. Now we will see second discrete probability distribution, that is Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. The Poisson distribution named after Simon Dennis Poisson. Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution. It describes random events that occurs rarely over a unit of time or space. That is, we deals with rare events in Poisson distribution. It differs from the binomial distribution in the sense that We count the number of successes and number of failures in binomial distribution, while in Poisson distribution, the average number of success in given unit of time or space. That is, unit of measurement is time or space interval. Some key points of Poisson distribution. The outcomes of interest are rare relative to the possible outcomes. The average number of outcomes of interest per time or space interval is lambda. The number of outcomes of interest are random, and the occurrence of one outcome does not influence the chances of another outcome of interest. Definition: the probability that exactly X event will occur in a given time is as follows. Probability of X is equals to e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to X upon X factorial, where values of X can be from 0 up to n. So this is called as a probability mass function of Poisson distribution, where lambda is the average number of occurrences per unit time, and here lambda is equals to np. Conditions of Poisson distribution. So if these conditions are met, we get more precise value of Poisson distribution. Poisson is a limiting case of binomial distribution under the following assumptions. First one, the number of trials n should be indefinitely large, that is n greater than infinity. Second, the probability of success p for each trial is indefinitely small. Third, lambda is equals to np should be finite, where lambda is constant. Properties of Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is defined by single parameter, that is lambda. So mean and variance is lambda in case of Poisson distribution. So both mean and variance are equal in Poisson distribution. Applications of Poisson distribution. First one, it is used in quality control statistics to count the number of defects of an item. Second, in biology to count the number of bacteria. Third, in determining the number of deaths in district in a given period by rare disease. Fourth, the number of error per page in a type material. Fifth, the number of plants infected with a particular disease in a plot of field. Sixth, number of weeds in a particular species in different plot of a field. Thank you.